Hey guys, in this video, I'm just showing you guys our new air fry oven. We're going to do a small unboxing for you guys. Come help get this out for me, man.
Can you come here?
Huh? Come help get this out the box for me, man. Alright, this is what the little oven looks like. Opens like that. And I believe inside of these boxes is the racks. Okay, you guys, this is what it looks like when you have everything put together. It slides out easy. It has a tray to catch the drippings. You have another tray. And then you have this underneath. And then when you close it, you just push on one handle and it closes by itself. These are what the knobs look like. It goes all the way to 450. It has a toast, air fry, broil, bake, and turbo section with a timer. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and hit the notification bell so you know when we post a video.